Welcome back to the Auto Car Universe channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most exclusive and powerful luxury cars of the future, the 2026 Mansory Spectre. Mansory has always been known for pushing the boundaries of design, performance, and opulence, and the 2026 edition of the Spectre is no exception. It's based on the Rolls-Royce Spectre, but Mansory takes it far beyond anything we've seen before. The first thing that grabs your attention is the exterior. Finished in a flawless pearl white paint, it's accented with aggressive carbon fiber elements throughout the body, on the front splitter, side skirts, rear diffuser, and even the mirrors. The wide body stance gives it a muscular, dominating presence, and those massive matte black alloy wheels wrap it all up with undeniable aggression. Under the hood, the Spectre is an absolute beast. Powered by a refined version of the V12 engine, this machine delivers breathtaking torque and smooth acceleration, all while maintaining the signature quietness Rolls-Royce is known for. But Mansory adds its signature performance tweaks, making the drive not just luxurious, but thrilling. Step inside, and it's a world of handcrafted luxury. White leather upholstery with contrasting black stitching, ambient lighting, carbon fiber trims, and a fully digital cockpit remind you that this is no ordinary Rolls-Royce. Every inch is tailored, every detail intentional. Mansory leaves nothing untouched. It's not just about looking good, it's about making a statement. The Mansory Spectre 2026 isn't just a car, it's a masterpiece on wheels. A rare blend of performance, technology, and unparalleled craftsmanship. If you're looking for something that stands out in a world already full of luxury cars, this is it. The Mansory Spectre 2026 is not just built to be seen, it's built to be remembered. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more in-depth looks at the world's most exclusive cars. Let us know in the comments what you think of this futuristic beast, and what you'd like to see next.